love, from a year ago to now, grabe ito na. Finally, in front of our loved ones, you will be one with God through the blessed sacrament of marriage. Ilang oras na lang, may totoong lisensya na ako para tawagin kang asawa ko.
Swinging back in my chair.
Kaya ng Diyos, palakpakan po natin.
I'm soaking up the sunshine. Lucky to be alive. Wonderful life that we're living. Head in the sky, taking the time we've been given. A wonderful life that we're living. Something about
Una pa lang, alam kong ikaw na ang makakasama ko habang buhay. Hiling hindi ko makakalimutan. On January 5, 2024, araw na in-accept mo ako sa Facebook. At ang first conversation pa natin, ang tawag mo sa akin ay Totoy Janjan.
wonderful life that we're living. Head in the sky, taking the time we've been given. A wonderful life that we're living.
Love, parang kailan lang nung hello Miss Arian ka. Nandun ka sa lugar kung saan ay gabi, samantalang dito ay umaga. Grabe, ang bilis ng mga pangyayari. Parang naka-time-lapse lahat. We were miles apart, but we have loved across the distance. And time zones that only God knows paano natin na itawid.
Wonderful life that we're
Love, hindi man ako perfect na partner, pero pinapangako ko na gagawin ko lahat para sa'yo at para sa magiging anak natin sa lahat ng makakaya ko.
Wonderful life that we're living. Head in the sky, taking the time we've been given. A wonderful life that we're living.
Pangarap ko sana na yung magiging family natin soon ay filled with laughter, adventure, and love. I promise to be your best friend, your confidante, and soulmate. To always listen to you, understand you, and to love you unconditionally. I give you my heart and my life. I will love you forever, love.
It is true that LDR is no joke. The distance was never easy, but it taught us to love truthfully and unconditionally. A love that is strong enough to cross the distance. A love that is tough enough to cope with the time. And a love that is patient enough to wait to this very day na magkasama na tayo. Mapa, sobrang thank you po kasi po sa lahat ng suporta at pagmamahal. Nandito pa din ako. Walang magbabago. Mahal na mahal ko po kayo. Lord God, I pray that we both continue to grow together in our relationship, always supporting and helping each other. May we have always each other's backs, no matter what life brings our way. I pray for success in life, that we achieve our dreams and build a future together. from this day forward, I promise that I will love you in absence and in presence. And I vow to choose you and will continue to choose you in every place and for all the days of our forever. I love you so much. Love.